Hello friends, I am Nur Alam Siddiqui, Director of Oxford English Classes, and now you are watching Learn English in a Short Time. Today, Miss Priyanshi and Divya will come for debate. The topic of the debate is, which is more important for success, money or time? Now, I would like to call Miss Priyanshi and Miss Divya for debate.
Hello everyone, I am Priyanshi here.
And I am Divya here.
Today we have come here in debate round and the topic of our debate is money versus time, and I am in favor of money because nowadays money has become very important and money is used to fulfill our basic needs.
No, Miss Priyanshi, I disagree with your points. Time is more precious than money because we can earn money that we have spent, but we can't get the time back once wasted. And according to me, money is just a piece of paper. We can't purchase everything by money.
You are right to some extent, Miss Divya, but you are not fully right because if you want to appear at an exam, then if you have no money, how can you pay fee and fill up the form? So it proves that money is very important.
Actually, in practical life, we see that rich is trained to pay the fee on time, but if they don't study on time, then they fail despite having money.
But practically our work is not done without bribes, so money is very important, and it has rightly been said that when money speaks the truth is silent in this age.
But there is wrong for giving bribe anyone. It is illegal, and we see that those who take or give bribe are arrested by the police. So actually money sends them to jail.
But according to me, money helps us to create power and authority, and it raises our living standard, and it helps us to fulfill our desire and wants, and it helps us in achieving whatever we want. So money is very important.
I think the task or work completed on time saves a lot of energy and money, so we need not to pay bribe anyone.
I don't agree with your points, Ms. Divya, because we see that the beggar has sufficient time, but they are begging to earn money. So money is more important for survival.
Actually, beggars are beggar because they are not using their time properly. So it proves that if we don't use time properly, so our condition will be like a beggar.
But suppose, Ms. Divya, if you want to start a new business, money is required for a business because our time is totally useless without money. So money is more important than time.
So it proves that money become useless if you are not punctual, and we may fail in business without being punctual. So obviously time is more important than money.
Yes, it is true that money and time both are important, so we should use them properly. And actually, it has rightly been said that money is the worst discovery of human life, but it is the most trusted material to test human nature.
It has also been said that even a correct decision is wrong when it's too late. Life is the game of timing. Respect time and time will respect you. Thank you.